Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. That is about f and b over f and 8. Now we need to transform this one into this one, so we have like this. Next, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to f and s. Later that, we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. This one we change for u. The s over s we change for this one. The integration of u, we have u square over number 2. About u, that is about f and s. This is the end. Thank you for watching.